What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to another quick video. And today we are linking up with the homies. I already did Ryan's car. I'm doing the homie Franz now, and we're gonna go ahead and basically do an overview of where Bandit's at for the year. And stay tuned because we're gonna be doing some more stuff to Bandit here pretty soon. But for this video, we're gonna say where we're at the end of 2020. All right, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is not quite a cold start, but there you go. Bandit has definitely got to make a scene every time. So I'm going to let him get lined up, and then we'll kind of continue from there. Alright, so we have the infamous Bandit here. 2017 Nissan Altima SR 2.5. on Kensai wheels and reaction coilovers. Seems like the whole squad are going on reactions. As you can see, he has his squads on the windshield. Got the custom accents on the wheels as well. Not a lot of people notice that, but got that added on all of the wheels. It's straight piped with the resonator deleted and custom piping, custom muffler, or the tips, custom pipe tips. Definitely got a lot of things coming for Bandit. I don't want to spoil what it is. And also, if you've been following the channel, you know that we did get the underglow installed on Bandit as well. Alright, but we had a few issues with the underglow, so it is no longer installed. We'll be working on getting another kit, so definitely stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming in the Bandit 2.0 video. But yeah, he's one of the cleanest Ultimas out here, one of the lowest ones, and he's not finished yet. Let's take a look. 'Cause a lot of people keep asking me about his stickers for some reason. Now, all of these I did not have anything to do with, except for he got the OG Fitted Squad one, if you can see it there. But we got some new ones made, so they'll be going on here pretty soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. Won't go into too much detail there. And so you got the reaction tags there. But if you guys think there's anything he should do, definitely comment below, and maybe you might guess what's happening next. But also, make sure you let us know what you think of the car. This is one of the most hated on Ultimas, but we definitely got some work coming up pretty soon. That video is gonna be dope, so definitely stay tuned for that. And they keep trying to get out the shots. My bad, I keep getting them in it, but yeah, Bandit is a league of his own. Can we get a couple revs? Can we get a couple revs real quick? There's so many people always asking about Bandit. And we got a pop. First try. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Definitely dope. Big things coming for Bandit here pretty soon. I almost gave you a couple teasers, but I'm gonna hold out. They do have a custom radio. Oh, let me finish the stickers.
Bradford, look at this. Look at this.
I don't know if you can see. Can't see it on the screen. Oh, there we go. You're not ready. You're not ready for what's coming. Perfect timing. But yeah, see those stickers as well. And this is what else we got. Quite a bit on here. But yeah, like I said, let me know what you guys think. We're gonna definitely be doing a video here with the whole squad together again. It's probably gonna be sometime next year. So definitely stay tuned for that. But this one, just a short, quick overview of where the car stands at the end of 2020. So here's to 2021 and what's coming next. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Definitely stay tuned. Within the first couple weeks of 2021, we're gonna have some updates for Bandit, for the channel, and it's going to be for when we're gonna do our new meet. We're gonna have a meet here. Probably gonna do one in either Tampa or Lakeland, and then we're gonna have another one here in Orlando. So if you're in the areas, let me know which ones you're interested in, which area, and that'll kind of help us choose which one we're doing first. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow the homies. Peace.